I have here Raspberry Pi Pico, and it is hooked up to the 7-segment display, and there is an on-off switch. And if you see on this left side, I have a bunch of code written here. 7-segment display, this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or you can see the 7 sides. It has a pin out, is mentioned everywhere. The pins are mentioned, and this is gonna show A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and DP, which is 0, and it's also gonna show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, it's gonna show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F, and after that it's gonna show 0 again, and it will reset and loop again. So let's start. I'll start the simulation. Let me zoom in a little bit and start the simulation. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, 0. As you can see, it's gonna keep running like that. Subscribe my channel for more videos like that.